Welcome to the third part of our Zero Trust OT Access Service tutorial. My name is Sirko.
And my name is Werner.
This part is focused on the detailed configuration of the clientless access. Check out our other tutorials for a general introduction to our Zero Trust OT Access Service and the detailed configuration of the client-based access. Werner, can you please show us what we need to configure in the Zscaler admin portal to enable clientless access?
Of course, Sirko. Now we enable access to a private web application via a fully qualified domain name by utilizing the clientless feature called browser access. We created and installed an app connector in our previous video on client-based access. So we will skip this step and start the workflow with the creation of an application segment. First, we need to add a new application segment and name it. Next, we enter the FQDN, which will be used to access the application. Also, we enable the browser access feature and select the corresponding certificate. Please note that FQDN and certificates are not covered in this video and must be obtained individually in a separate process. Additionally, we provide the port of our application. We reuse the segment group that we have created in a second video. Now we need to create a new server group. Dynamic server discovery must be turned off and confirmed. We select the app connector group that we configured in the previous video. To create a new server, we must provide a name and the IP address of our Siemens S7 PLC. The server group is not yet available, but will be automatically filled after we finish the workflow and save the configuration. Finally, we review our settings and press the Save button. Now, edit the existing access policy. To allow access to our clientless application, we add the application segment to the previously created access policy. Furthermore, we need to link the application to the selected FQDN. Therefore, we switch to the browser access menu and extend the details of our application. A canonical name is listed there. Our FQDN acts as an alias. Therefore, we need to create a CNAME DNS entry, which links the canonical name to our FQDN. This process is done independently with the service provider of your domain. We will skip this step for this tutorial. A user portal is the landing page where users can select which of the approved applications they want to access. A new user portal is created by using the Add User Portal button. We must choose a name, provide the URL of the user portal and the corresponding certificate. The details of the user portal will show a canonical name. Again, our URL acts as an alias. Therefore, a corresponding CNAME DNS entry must link to the given canonical name. We do not cover this process in this tutorial. Next, we need to create a portal link by using the Add Portal Link button. Then, we can link our private application to the user portal. To do so, we select the user portal, application segment and application. Now, we give the portal link a name, which will be displayed in the user portal. We review and save the portal link. After opening the user portal, which is available at the previously registered URL, we are redirected to our identity provider, where we can log in with our company credentials. Now we can choose the application to access. In our example, only one application is available, as only one has been configured. As you can see, we can now connect to our application, the web server of the Siemens S7 PLC.
Thank you, Werner, for showing us the configuration of the clientless access of our Zero Trust OT Access service. If you need a general introduction to our service or to the setup of the client-based access, check out our other tutorials.